Hello, my name is Camille Jackson, and I am excited today to get to talk to you about industrial technology. I've been with Southwire for about 3 years, and I have an opportunity on a daily basis to work with people that have experience in industrial technology, and it's a very exciting field. What is industrial technology? It is a skilled trade career path where you learn and develop skills that will help you to work on machinery, processes, or systems. This is a hands-on career path where you will have an opportunity to use your hands to work on this machinery, to apply troubleshooting techniques, to use the things that you learn to keep manufacturing equipment running, to make sure that it's reliable, and you'll have an opportunity to work with a team. And on that team, you'll be maintaining equipment and you'll be making sure that that equipment produces quality products. Why industrial technology? Again, this is an opportunity for you to work with your hands. This is an opportunity not to be in an office all day long. This career only takes 2 years at a technical college. It's a lot less expensive because it doesn't take 4 years like a traditional degree. This is an opportunity that is in high demand. There are a lot of full-time job opportunities in this industry, and there is a lot of opportunity for growth in this field. With industrial technologies, there's opportunities for apprenticeship programs. This is where you can work on your technical education. You can work in a manufacturing environment, and you can gain valuable hands-on experience while you go to school. There are several types of industrial technology opportunities at Southwire. We have maintenance technicians, and they provide a variety of skills that help to maintain our mechanical systems. We also have electronic technicians. They focus a lot on the electrical components of our manufacturing equipment. And we also have maintenance apprentices, and they are in the process of developing their skills and techniques to be able to troubleshoot and maintain the mechanical systems and electrical systems in our plant. The maintenance technician on a day-to-day basis is involved in troubleshooting malfunctions. They work to repair problems. They troubleshoot to figure out why machines aren't running as they were designed to run. They look for failed parts and they replace components on equipment. They also have an opportunity to work on mechanical systems and do alignment. They work with motors and pumps. They make adjustments to keep the equipment running and to make it more reliable. They also have opportunity to do some electrical work on our equipment, and they may replace basic electrical components. The electronic technician is very similar to the maintenance technician, other than they focus primarily on the electrical systems of our manufacturing equipment. They do failure analysis on electrical components. They try to determine, again, why equipment's not running as it was designed to run. They look at machine failures with their PLC programming to do troubleshooting. They also may use test equipment such as ohm meters and voltmeters to determine why equipment has failed. The maintenance apprentices, as they develop their skills, they're working alongside a maintenance technician or electronic technician to learn techniques to troubleshoot. They are in school part-time to learn the techniques of the trade. They're also learning ways to work as a team and to troubleshoot to make sure the manufacturing equipment runs reliably. The maintenance apprentices, they are in a manufacturing plant part of the day as well as attending classes part of the day. They are gaining knowledge and skills to do troubleshooting. They are learning from other maintenance technicians so that one day they can also be a maintenance technician. Southwire's Maintenance Apprenticeship Program is a combination of classes at West Georgia Technical College as well as time in one of Southwire's manufacturing plants. Our apprentices go to school for 4 hours a day. They are in one of the manufacturing plants for 4 hours a day, and they do that 5 days a week. The Southwire apprentices are full-time employees and they work 40 hours a week. This program requires a 2-year commitment. There's also an application process, written testing, and a panel interview. After completion of the program and certification, these maintenance apprentices are guaranteed a maintenance technician position in one of Southwire's manufacturing plants. If you're interested in the Southwire Maintenance Apprenticeship Program, check out southwirecareers.com, and that's where we will post opportunities for the apprenticeship program. When you start preparing for high school, college, and the working world, here are a few things to consider. First is to make sure that the classes you take in high school and college align with the career path you've chosen. Next is to look for something that interests you. Think about what you love to do and look for a career path that aligns with that. That way, when you go to work each day, you're doing something you love to do. And finally, look for apprenticeship opportunities. Look for opportunities where you can work in a manufacturing environment or work for a company while you're working on your technical education. And that way you're gaining valuable hands-on experience. There's also some soft skills you can work on. First is attendance and work ethic. This is making sure that you go to class, that you turn in assignments, that if you have a part-time or full-time job, that you're showing up to work when you're scheduled and you're not calling out. And again, remembering that people depend on you and you need to show up and do your best. The other thing is having a positive attitude. People can look across the room and when you're in a situation and they can see if you have a positive attitude. And they will see that you're someone they want to work with. So just remembering that positive attitude will help you to be successful. And it will help you to be successful as you communicate and as you work on teams to have good communication skills and good teamwork. That positive attitude will make others want to be on your team, and you will be successful in your team with your communication skills. Being responsible is important. It's important to make sure that you are turning in those assignments, that you're studying for your test, and again, that you're showing up for work when you're assigned. And always remember that there are people that depend on you, so do your best. Integrity and honesty are very important. It's very important that you do what you say you're going to do, and it's also very important to do the right thing even when no one is looking. Next, you see a few of the local technical colleges. Check out their websites. This is a place that you can go. You can see what kind of career paths they offer. You can see what classes would be required for an industrial technology career path. Check out their websites. There'll be some valuable information there. And finally, I would like to end with a quote from our founder, Roy Richards Sr. He revolutionized the wire and cable industry, and he had some great advice on how to be successful. Remember to work hard, put your best foot forward, and you can achieve anything you put your mind to.
I remember when I started out years ago, I read that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step, and you're on the way.